In this video, I will discuss how to connect Google Calendar with HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot, and once you're in there, proceed to click on this marketplace icon. So once you have selected it, click on HubSpot Marketplace to open it directly. So for this method, we just need to use the app Marketplace to install Google Calendar. To do so, click onto the search bar and search right here for Google Calendar. Here it is right there. Proceed to click on this, and once you have done that, you can see right here the app instead. Click onto this install, then this will open right here this window. So for this case, just reading here what to expect and click on install again. And once you have done that, it will be redirected right here into this page. You can choose right here what calendar you want created. On my case, let's just choose the Google Calendar and click on connect your calendar. Click on accept and connect to Google. After that, this will open this new tab wherein you can choose your Google account that you can actually sign in. So on my case, let's proceed to do that and click on continue. Once you have done that, just select right here what HubSpot can access and click on continue again. Once you have done that, you will be redirected back to HubSpot, and as you can see, connection is now complete and it's been connected. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.